Rwanda, a country located in the Albertine Rift, has a rich biodiversity with high level of endemism. It also has a diverse ecosystem ranging from humid montane forests to savannas, lakes, rivers, and wetlands. Now, Rwanda is home to populations of endangered and critically endangered species of wildlife such as the mountain gorilla, the eastern chimpanzee, the golden monkey, the wild dogs, and the gray-crowned crane, among many others. Rwanda has also reintroduced 23 black rhinos and lions to Akagera National Park after decades of absence of part of the Big Four in the park. This would not be achieved if Rwanda did not invest in many efforts in restoration and conservation. Thanks to these efforts, Rwanda has fully achieved one of its Vision 2020 targets of increasing forest cover to 30% of its total land area. Now, the forest cover, according to a 2019 forest cover mapping report, is 724,695 hectares, 30.4%. Rwanda has also restored and rehabilitated remnant natural forests including Ibanda-Makera in Eastern Province, Sanza in Western Province, and Gishwati and Mukura forests before they were designated a national park and a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. These efforts were suspended not only on the restoration of wetlands including Rugezi Wetland and Ramsar Site, Rweru, Mugesera and Murago wetlands, but also to lakeshore and riverbanks demarcation for protection purposes. This went hand in hand with removal of invasive species and other weeds in lakes, as well as removal of illegal activities in wetlands. Among other achievements, Rwanda has rehabilitated agro-ecosystems with terracing and agroforestry, as well as fruit trees while integrating livestock for soil fertility. Livelihoods and social-economic development of local communities were also improved by integrating conservation and development. This was achieved by establishing relocated households from lakeshores, riverbanks, and other high-risk zones in green and climate-resilient villages, providing access to improved cook stoves that reduce use of fuel wood and biogas, provision of solar-powered irrigation system to cope with droughts, provision of rainwater harvesting tanks to reduce pressure on aquatic ecosystems, provision of modern beehives to beekeepers to reduce pressure on natural forests, and development of green cities as part of sustainable urbanization integrating biodiversity.